It is Monday, June 22nd, 2026. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the week. I've got the usual green line, blue line. I have also marked out an intra-week moon swing cycle with the arrows, so you can see that pattern in play there as well. We made low overnight Sunday night and then started trading up early this morning. The green line is pretty much flat through the day in neutral territory. It starts to push up tonight and peaks out tomorrow about the end of the day session, and then we'll be drifting back down, but still in bullish territory all the way until about 1400 on the 25th. Then it ducks down below zero, still in neutral territory early in the morning Friday, get a little bit of a move down to 6 a.m. and then pushes up to the end of the day. Key blue line spikes, we've got the first one that comes into play is this big one right here at 2100 tomorrow or tonight on the 22nd. We've got another spike to the bottom here at 4 a.m. on the 23rd. A spike flat top at 7 to 8 a.m. on the 23rd. Next one on the 24th, big spike high at 5 a.m. A low at about 1300. Another flat top spike 1700 and 1800. On the 24th, another spike top at 2300 on the 24th. On the 25th, we've got this flat spike low at 16 and 1700, and then the last one for the week, Friday at 12 noon here. So you can take a look at the this intra-week swing cycle. You can see what lines up. This is probably an interesting area right here where we've got the blue line bottoming with the cycle I've marked. These are two different things, so they are both lunar, but they are non-correlated calculations. So you can take a look at that and see how that projects out this week.